Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek hair and half the time with the super high-speed brushless motor hairdryer. It has intelligent temperature control technology, ion generator, low noise, 2 speed settings, 3 heat settings. If you hold the temperature control button down for 3 seconds, it will alternate between the cool, medium, and hot. And it shows you in the back what color, so you know exactly what setting it's on. It has a compact design, very lightweight. And it has magnetic attachments. So they click on instantly, making styling effortless. From tight curls to sleek, straight hair, switch attachments within a second to get any style you want. Transform your hair game with the high-speed hairdryer. Grab yours now. Check the link in the bio.